Go.
Yeah, g'day Vin, it's Gavin here. This is the radio box I've got, or the transmitter. It's a HK GT2B, supplied by Hobbyking. And here's the program card that I bought. Also, it's a Turnigy, and this is the one I'm using. Of a note, only the basic settings work on this one. I can't get any advanced settings. Okay, so just to show, I turn the wheel, the rudder turns. I get a little bit of throttle control, very little, but no reverse. So absolutely no reverse, but plenty of forward. Okay, so I'll now switch this off and we'll go through the program card. Disconnect out of the receiver. Oh, I think it goes that way. No, that's the wrong way around. I do mix this up a fair bit, Vin, so you may have to bear with me. Oh, that's better. Okay, it comes up. Okay, I'll just do a full reset. So all of them should be now at the factory resets. For some reason these are, as you saw, I scroll through the first four. So number 1, I'll now put that to 2, and that's a forward reverse with brake. I don't get 3, I've only got 1 and 2. So I'll go to 2, because number 1's forward only with brake. So this is forward and reverse with brake. Item 2 is drag brake force. I've got 0%. Number 3, cut-off threshold, I've got it at 4, which is 3 volts per cell. Number 4 is at 5. I did actually have that down at level 1. Okay, I'll hit OK. So all those items now are set the way I believe it should be. So now I disconnect it, plug it back into the receiver. Okay. Look, I have a wardrobe malfunction here. Oh, no wonder. The wrong one. There we go. That's better. Right, now here we go for the throttle again. Forward, no reverse. So you can see the program card for the ESC, and the ESC is a Turnigy Marine 60A. I'm in the process of making up a water box for it, so it'll run with water. But that's the ESC, and you can see I've done the programming of it, and it still won't run in reverse. So I'm hoping you can give me a few pointers to help me out. Thank you very much, Vin.